Hello guys, my name is Shubham. I am from bestandtechnologies.com. So today we will be learning about Django. So what basically Django is, what is the current trend and why people are using it heavily. So let's learn about Django. For the first thing which I would like to tell you is Django is a framework for developing web application and websites. It gives you flexibility to create several applications and websites using Python. So what are the various prerequisites? What are the various important thing that you should know before learning Django? If people think like it's kind of difficult to learn Django, but it's very easy. The only thing you should be familiar with is Python. If you know Python, you can learn Django easily. It provides a lot of things, like it can do a lot of heavy things in a very easy way. If you will talk, let's talk about Django architecture. So we have model view controller. Like other frameworks, we have same feature which is provided by Django. So what makes it very good? What makes it fast? The thing which makes it secure is the features that Django is having, like CSRF feature, okay, and then model feature, like how you'll be creating model, okay, interface, command line interface with which you can do the coding in a very easy way. Okay, if you will talk about various companies like Instagram, Bitbucket, Discuss, all these companies are using Django very heavily. And if you will talk about what is the future of Django, the future of Django is very vast. Like if you know Python and Django, which is a framework of Python, your 15 to 20 years will be secured. Okay, now companies are asking not only Python, they are asking for Django also. Like they will be asking certain set of technologies together, then only you will be getting a job in some very big company. If you want to switch company, if you want to join a company, if you are a fresher, okay, or if you are experienced, you can come here and learn Django, which will give you a head start to get a good company. Okay, since the demand is very high because of a lot of features Django provides, like scalability, it is highly scalable. The applications which you will be creating will be highly scalable, and then you can do a lot of rapid development. Okay, consider like you have created some applications with Django. So Django gives you flexibility. Django provides you the opportunity to integrate your machine learning algorithms in your application as well. Now, like if you consider like you will be creating some applications with other technologies, then integrating with machine learning is kind of difficult. But if you use, now you know why, like Python is famous for machine learning and artificial intelligence, and if you will be using that concept of that framework of Python, then it will be very easy for you to integrate those technologies in Django part. Okay, so what are the things that you should know? Okay, you may be having doubt like I am a fresher, I am in second year, first year, or I am in 8th standard, 10th standard. So don't worry. Join here, come here, take demo for free. You will be getting idea of what Django is. Okay, here when you will be taking my sessions, you will be knowing the project related way, like how to create projects. So I will be showing you how project is created with Django. Okay, but before that you need to learn Python. Okay, it's kind of a project oriented way. So whatever you will be learning, it's kind of project oriented. Okay, so what Django is like, it's kind of like, it is very lightweight. If you will talk about other technologies, it's very easy to integrate things, or I should say it's very easy to develop things in a very fast way with Django. Okay, so this is what Django is all about. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe the bell button. Thank you.